What to do if Windows doesn't let you remove Bluetooth device from Bluetooth settings. So if you want to remove Bluetooth device from your Bluetooth settings and Windows doesn't let you, then here's a simple step. What you need to do is just simply go with your Bluetooth icon, right click on it, and then click on open settings. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now here you may have your Bluetooth device. And if you try to forget the device or disconnect the device, and if Windows doesn't let you, then there's also another way. What you can do is go back and then open up your device manager. Search for device manager and click on it. Now here you will find the Bluetooth option, go with Bluetooth. And here you will have all of the Bluetooth devices that you've previously connected. But if you don't find your Bluetooth device named right here, then you need to go with view and then go with show hidden devices. And here you will find all of the hidden devices or all of the devices that you previously connected. Now you need to go with the device that you would like to remove. Right click on it and then go with uninstall device. Once you click on uninstall device, that particular device will be removed. Like for example, I'll go with uninstall, click on uninstall again, and the device has been removed. Now if you go back to your Bluetooth settings, then as you can see that here it won't show that particular device. So now you need to go with add Bluetooth or other device and go with Bluetooth. And if you have any Bluetooth devices available, it will show the name of that device, and then you need to click on the device in order to connect to that Bluetooth device. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.